This, my friends, is our garden hose, and let me show you what we're replacing. So these were our old garden hoses, and the concept was really cool. They're lightweight, flexible. The problem is, after I would say two to three winters, they just, I don't know what it is about them, but they start leaking all over the place. So we are upgrading to this. So just to show you, the hose is flexible, but it does, like, you can kink it, but it snaps back pretty fast. It's kind of like in between these hoses and those old-fashioned green hoses. So we got it tied off here, and we're gonna pull our old hose just so we can go past our trees and stuff. It makes it pretty easy just to do. So we just pull it like this.